Hey guys, so I'm gonna do a true unboxing video today. We just received Chip's Loot Pet box for March, like 10 minutes ago maybe. And I'm just gonna, open this, and this video is gonna be done one-handed. Okay. It's really windy outside. So the first thing that's on top of the, seriously, Loot Pets? Anyway, the first thing that's on top of the box is, of course, the Loot Pets t-shirt, which matches the Loot Crate t-shirt. It's Star Trek, created by Gene Roddenberry. Mirror, Mirror. It's starring William Shatner, Leonard Nimoy, DeForest Kelly. And it looks like Spock looking at Spock, kind of. It's a yellowy shirt with yellow and red on it. And this is gonna need to be altered a little bit because this is size small, but the neck hole in these shirts for some reason is like really gimundous and they fall off of Chip, so my mom puts a couple tacks in them. So there's the shirt. Here's the tag. It looks like maybe aliens and predators or something, I don't really know. Looks like that. And then the next thing in the box is a bag of treats that are turduckenstein menacing meat treats for dogs. Now you're interested in this, huh? They look like little sausage rolls. Feeding instructions say provide 1 treat per 5 pounds of dog's weight per day. These turkey and duck meat treats want to challenge you to a snack down, smackdown. Turduckenstein nibbles are grain-free, 100% natural, and made in the USA. And then the next bag of treats looks like it somehow came open and leaked little crumbles all over my box. Maybe not. Maybe it just looks that way. These are Rough 'em Ups, fruity protein puffs for pups. Ow, Chippy, you're standing on my bruise. Provide 1 treat per 5 pounds of dog's weight. Show these treats who's boss. Apple and chicken blend together for a 100% corn-free and soy-free snack that's made in the USA and tastes powerfully delicious. Okay, I think there's actually more things in here than normal. 2, 3. This is a plush toy. Oh. From Batman versus Superman. And I'm assuming it's a Batman? I don't know exactly. It's from Funny, Phunny, I believe. It says Kid Robot CE on the back of it. A NECA company. That's all that I can see that it really says. It's in plushy plastic. It's in plastic. And the next thing, which is I think the last thing besides the little magazine, is interesting. This is a Marvel Captain America Civil War disposable pet bowl. It looks like this. This says Civil War on this side. And on this side, there's Iron Man and Captain America. And I'm extremely intrigued by this. I don't know if I can open it one-handed or not. I'm going to try to open it one-handed. Or see if there's a picture maybe in the magazine here. Yeah, here it is. It's exclusive Captain America Civil War collapsible dog bowl set. Your super alliances may be crumbling, but that's no reason not to stay hydrated. Whether you're Team Cap or Team Iron Man, these bowls are portable enough to take to any high-stakes potential conflict between former friends or a fun trip to the dog park. So it's like a heavy-duty, plasticky kind of bowl that kind of pops open in the middle and stands up, I assume. I'll open them later. Yeah, that was everything that was in the box. So there was the keychain, the dog tag, the pet bowls, the Batman plush toy, 2 bags of treats, which I'm not super excited about, but that's just me, and a t-shirt, which will need altered a little bit. I do know that next month's Loot Crate, I believe, Loot Pets, the April 1 should have both a pet t-shirt and a human t-shirt in, I believe. I'm not quite sure how that's gonna work, but yeah. Not super impressed with this box. Probably in order of my favorite things. You know I love the t-shirts because they match the Loot Crates one. I really like the pet bowls, although I think they're a little large for Chip, but they're pretty cool. And the plush toy, the treats, meh, no. Simply because we have a lot of unopened packages of treats. But maybe I'll see if he'll eat these ones. So yeah, I'll leave a link down below if you'd like to get your own Loot Pets box or any of the other Loot Crate boxes. And I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! So here's a little added unboxing review. I gave Chip a very small one of these, and he did not eat it. I believe it's still on the floor. And I decided to open the bowls. Oh, there's 3 of them. But they're heavy enough that I don't really think that they should be thrown away, but there are 3 of them, like I said. And they all have a carabiner in them. I popped one open. Through some holes to carry it easier. And it does just like pop open to make like a little plastic bowl. Obviously it would work better if it had something in it to sort of keep it held down. But the thing that I like is right along here, it has a thing kind of like a Ziploc bag. Like to keep it shut, which I think is really cool. Yeah, so I'm super excited for these. And that's about it. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye! So I just Googled the funny Batman versus Superman plush dog toy. And I found little plushy things for humans. So then I flipped this tag inside here over. Sorry, this is all kind of squeaky. You're probably not going to be able to even see it. you might be able to. And right here on the tag, right here, it says this is not a toy for ages 8 and up. And I searched in this for some kind of a squeaker, and I can't find a squeaker. So I don't even think this is a dog toy. Or if it is, it doesn't have a squeaker in it. So I'm very unimpressed with this. Get it together, Loot Pets. It's a box for a dog, not a human.